Today I'm really excited to share with you a real-time demonstration of our data mining capabilities. I'll be showing you my screen in just a moment, during which you'll probably notice that I redact certain pieces of information like this name of the school. Because in this demonstration I'm using actual aggregated data from EyeSpy 2020 vision screenings, and I don't want to disclose anybody's particular information. You know, everyone recognizes how critically important data is to a successful vision screening program. That is exactly why when we developed the EyeSpy 2020 vision screening program, we built in a HIPAA-compliant centralized data repository. However, our repository can also be effectively used for objective vision screenings such as SureSight, Plus Optics, Spot, and Go Check Kids, which also integrate into the EyeSpy 2020 vision screening program. So after all the screenings are performed and the equipment is put away or replaced, you don't lose access to the data. Simply collecting the data, however, is not enough. An ideal vision screening program will not only collect the data, but will have an effective system to track individual results in a HIPAA-compliant fashion to ensure good communication with families and health professionals. Prior to EyeSpy 2020, data collection was a time-consuming, manual, error-prone process, if it happened at all. With this system, data is collected automatically as screenings occur. But look, an effective public health model requires that data is not simply collected, but that it can be easily accessible and manipulated not only to monitor the success and penetration of the vision screening program, but also understand issues of epidemiological importance. And it is this one-of-a-kind system that we are very proud to have developed, and I want to show that to you right now. Okay, so here's a data mining tool that I was discussing earlier. And we can filter all of this information by a variety of variables, but what I'm going to show you first is what we're looking at. So the first chart here is vision screenings by quarter, and right next to that chart is the referral rate by quarter. I'm going to filter this data down momentarily so it's a little bit easier to look at, but this chart shows the expansion of the program over time. The next is the distribution of vision screenings as a function of age, as well as referral rate as a function of age. This is the quantity of vision screenings conducted as a function of gender and the associated referral rates, and this is all aggregated data that we're looking at in real time. Here are the cumulative number of vision screenings, passes and fails, as a function of year and annual referral rates. And then finally we have the number of unique schools using EyeSpy at any particular point in time as a function of quarter, and test duration as a function of age. And what you'll notice is that EyeSpy screenings average less than 3 minutes. But this data is, we're looking at data since 2008. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter this down, and let's just look at the last year of data. So the first thing we can do is make the charts a little bit easier to digest. And again, this is all in real time, so the data is being refreshed every time we look at it. So as vision screenings are being conducted even today, when they're uploaded into the database, this data mining tool is accessing that data in aggregate. So you can see last quarter we did about, well, let's see. You can look at that, and that's about a combination, 17,000 screenings last quarter. This quarter will go well over 20,000 vision screenings. Here's again the referral rate, so just showing you that this data can be filtered down quite easily. If we want to look at particular ages, let's say we want to look at children ages 5 through 9. For whatever reason, we're doing an analysis. We want to look at vision screenings conducted on children in that age range. Then again, you can see that the data is automatically filtered down. If you wanted to look at a specific gender, you could do that as well. If you wanted to look at a specific school or school district, you could do that as well. So I'll do that right now, redacting the school district that I selected. And now we're looking at data for 2004, 2005, children ages 5 through 9 for a specific school district. This is a web-based data mining tool, so anyone that has been authorized to do so will have access to the data to which they are authorized to see. There's no personally identifiable information available. All of the data that we're looking at is real-time aggregated data from actual vision screenings conducted. Understand that this short demo was just the tip of the proverbial iceberg. The data collected and the data mining reports can be fully customized to meet the individual needs of our collaborative partners. Please feel free to contact us should you have any questions whatsoever. Our system allows your data to provide you insights previously undiscovered, and we look forward to working with you. Hey, thanks for watching.